Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent a solution here. The first step from here is to let 4 to the power of x be equal to u. Substituting u from here, then we have u plus u plus u. This is equal to 40. So u plus u plus u, this is 3u, then this is equal to 40. So let's divide both signs by 3, so that now we have that u is equal to 40 over 3. Then we can substitute u with 4 to the power of x, which is equal to 40 over 3. To solve for the value of x from here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 4 to the power of x. This is equal to log 40 over 3. And you find that log 4 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which you can express as n log a. Now, the next step from here, we have that applying this power rule property, log 4 to the power of x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 40 over 3. So let's divide both signs by log 4 from here, by log 4. So by simplifying here, we have that x is equal to log 40 over 3, then divided by log 4. Now, we have that log 40 over 3, this is in the form of log a over b, which we can express as log a subtract log b from here. Applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to log 40 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. The next step is to express 40. We can express 40 basically as 8 times 5. Let's substitute this. Now, substituting 40 here, we have with 8 times 5, we have that x is equal to log 8 times 5 divided by log 4, then subtract log 3 divided by log 4. So that now, log 8 times 5, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, let's apply this logarithm property from here, so that now x is equal to log 8 divided by log 4, then plus log 5 divided by log 4, subtract log 3 divided by log 4. The next step is that we can express 8 as 2 to the power of 3, and we can express 4 as 2 to the power of 2. Let's substitute this so that we have x is equal to log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 2 to the power of 2, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 2, then subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power of 2. Now, the next step from here, we can apply the power rule property so that now x is equal to log 2 to the power of 3 becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by, this is 2 log 2, then subtract log 3 divided by 2 log 2. So let's simplify log 2 and log 2 here, so that now x is equal to 3 over 2, then plus half, here we have log 5 divided by log 2, then subtract we have a half. Now we have log 3 divided by log 2. Now the next step from here, we have log 5 over log 2 and log 3 over log 2. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, and this can be expressed as log A to base B. Applying this property, then we have that x is equal to 3 over 2 plus a half. This is log 5 to base 2. Then subtract a half, log 3 to base 2. Since a half is common here, we can factor out a half here, so that now into the parentheses we have 3 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. And this is the value of x from here. This is the value of x. So the next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify here. Now, if you recall, we have that 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 40. This should give us a value of 40. But since 4 to the power of x is common here, we can factor out 4 to the power of x, so that now into the parentheses we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 40 from here. We have 4 to the power of x here, multiplying by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this should give us a value of 40 from here. Let's substitute the value of x. Remember here we have 4 to the power of x, x is a half. Into the parentheses we have 3 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2, close the parentheses. Everything here multiplying by 3, this should give us a value of 40. Now, we can express 4 basically as 2 to the power of 2. So we have 2 to the power of 2 multiplying by a half into the parentheses. This is 3 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2, then multiplying by 3 from here. This should give us a value of 40. Now, let's simplify here, so that now we have 2 to the power of 3 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. Everything here multiplying by 3. This should give us a value of 40. Now, the next step is that 2 to the power of 3 plus log 5 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which you can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. And also, this part is also expressed as a to the power of n minus m, which can be expressed as a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m. Applying these two exponent properties from here, then we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplying by 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. Everything here divided by 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. Everything here multiplying by 3. This should give us a value of 40. Okay? So 2 to the power of 3 here, this is the same thing as 8. So we have 8 multiplying by 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. Everything here multiplying by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. The next step is that 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2 and 2 raised to the power of log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a. This should give us a value of b. Applying this logarithm property, then 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2, this should give us a value of 5. And 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2, this is equal to 3. So let's substitute these two, so that now we have 8 multiplying by 5, dividing by 3 from here, then multiplying by 3. This should give us a value of 40. So let's simplify 3 and 3 here, so that now we have 8 times 5. This is equal to 40, which is equal to 40. So this implies that the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this implies that the value of x, which essentially is equal to half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2 actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.